Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The executive arm of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, SBAJ, condemns the Jamaica Public Service Company's decision to increase by more than 30% the charges to consumers and business owners. Garnet Reed, newly elected president of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, has expressed his frustration regarding the current billing and its financial disaster on the small business sector. Reed has expressed his discontent as follows. I am outraged that JPSCO has established a US $50 million cash trove in self-insurance disaster recovery fund at its disposal. Yet JPSCO has appeared to transfer the unsuspecting Jamaican public the cost of the recently passed Hurricane Beryl. We are demanding an explanation and an immediate rollback of the charges that are clearly unfounded. Further, the time has come when the government should give a new license to a different public service company to provide competition in the industry. Burita Investments Limited has advised that its board of directors declared a dividend of $1.96 per share payable on October 31, 2024 to shareholders on record as at October 17, 2024. The ex-dividend date is October 17, 2024. During trading for the period of August 20, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Edufocal with 3,028,461 units represent 23.11% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,163,098 units represent 16.51% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 1,239,921 units represent 9.46% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On August 20, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $52.01 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $57.68 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.44 and bought the US dollar for $156.55. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.89, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 34 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold for $116.24 and bought for $115.90. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $2.84, selling it for $203.58 and buying it for $200.74. For today's credit report tip of the day, we continue to look at the strategy of bundling your auto loans and your mortgage so that if you're shopping for a house and shopping for a car, it can be a smart financial strategy. And it may offer you lower interest rates, simplified payments, and depending on the financial institution, exclusive perks. Your credit score is crucial in determining the success and advantages of doing a bundle. So having a high credit score can significantly increase your chances of approval. Lenders are more inclined to approve loans for individuals with proven credit worthiness, making the bundling process smoother. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.